Hi, thanks for stopping by. I would like to introduce you to the love mm, that I have right now. No handbag can replace this. Nothing, no SLG can make me happier. This is Renji Abari. Oh my goodness. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh. He smells like new puppy. He's so sweet and so cute. Oh. There we go. There's my love bug. Oh my gosh. He's about 5.5, maybe 6 pounds. He is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and he is so sweet. Oh my gosh, he's so sweet. So if you're wondering where I've been, it's been partially that, and I was on a handbag hiatus, but that is a very long story that I will tell you maybe at another time. But he is so cute. So expect to see him make cameos and videos here and there. And this is my new love bug, and I hope you all like him. Oh, say hi, Renji. Oh, there's my baby. There you go. Isn't he cute? Oh, look. He doesn't know how to be up like that without something under his feet, but he is the best boy ever. My love. Oh my gosh, he's so sweet and so just awesome. So that's my introduction of Renji, and if you know, you know with the name. His name is Renji Abari, and I will insert a picture of who he's named after, just in case you don't know. But he is my favorite love bug right now. This is my first puppy ever, and oh my gosh, he's more responsibility than a child, I swear. But he is so worth it and so sweet and so just everything. So if you have any questions about him, feel free to ask. And if it's something about the breeder or anything like that, I probably won't know, I just know that he's a purebred, and anything else I can defer you to the actual breeder. But other than that, he is my love. Yes. So thank you, and either continue watching or just look at his cute little face. Either way, say hi, boo. Oh, how can you not love that? Oh, so I don't think he is ready to be let loose in my bag room yet, because we don't allow him in our bedroom and we don't allow him in my bag room. Not yet. Not until he's 110% potty trained. So I'm gonna take him back downstairs. Oh my gosh. And then I'll do an unboxing really quick. So thank you. Okay, now I took him downstairs to be with my husband for a little bit so that he won't, sniff around and mark anything in here, so that I could do this quick unboxing. A Louis Vuitton item. And I swear I ordered this forever ago. And sometimes I think it's a sign if you forget about something you've ordered, or it's not like, oh my God, I have to go get it. Maybe that means you don't need it, but we'll see. I ordered a bandeau, and it is the luggage tag bandeau. So I thought she would go really nice on monogram. And when I first got into Louis Vuitton, I was like a luggage tag aholic, and I still love them, but because they're so hard to get, and it's just not, I'm not gonna buy a piece of luggage just to get a luggage tag. It's not worth it to me. But this is she, and I think she's beautiful. There is a very colorful version, but that wasn't quite my vibe, so that's that. And then the second thing is Gucci. And I wouldn't say that this was my first choice. My first choice was actually the Louis Vuitton version, but they discontinued it. And then when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I like it. And I like the fact that the strap is super long. So, any guesses? Haha, just kidding. I'm just going to open it. And my salesperson, Lee, is so nice in Gucci. I just love her. She's in a dust bag, okay. With a bow, okay, okay. And there she is. A bum bag. And I really like this one. And I like the fact that the strap is super long as to where I can wear it as a crossbody. And, well, you can tell she's brand new because that's still on there. But you can see she has a zipper compartment in the back, this little zipper compartment in the front, and I think that my key fob will fit perfectly in there. She's stuffed. I think my key fob will fit in there just fine, like maybe my key fob, my driver's license, and maybe a card or something will go in there. Or maybe something extra, like maybe my extra rubber bands, and stuff for my braces. Okay, so I took my rubber bands off now because if not, I slur heavily with the S's. So, and if you hear it now, my apologies, but soon they will be off. And in this compartment, the big one, stuffed again. Thank you, Gucci. She's pretty wide. Actually, I think I can get my card holder inside without any problems, and maybe a pair of sunnies and just some essentials in there. I think it's good. Yeah. Perfect. I think she's perfect. So I hope you like, and give me 1 second and I'll take all the straps off and I'll show you. So as you can see, she fits very comfortably, and the strap is very generous. I just need to take the plastic off. And I really liked the blue version of this bag, and if I can find a picture, I'll insert it here. But the strap on it was blue, red, and then blue again, and to me that was a little too busy. I felt like with the brown I could wear it with anything. So I think this is very, very Gucci chic, and I love it. What I also love about it is the fact that I can wear it backwards. If I didn't want to have it like, you know, a third boob right there, I can wear it on my shoulder backwards and, you know, be hands-free while I shop and take Renji for a walk and put treats inside and, you know, poop bags and whatever else he might need, and just put dog stuff in it. I think it'll be a great carry-along backpack just for Renji. So I hope you enjoyed meeting Renji. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love my bandeau and my fanny pack or bum bag, whatever you want to call it. And I hope that you are staying safe, washing your hands, wearing a mask, avoiding monkeypox, and being a good human. So thank you for your time again. It's invaluable. That's the one thing in life you have that you can never put a price on, is your time, because it's the one thing you can never get back. If you lose $1, you'll make it back, but if you lose your time, it's never coming back. So thank you for yours. I hope you subscribe, push the button, and that's it. Aloha.